Everybody needs a few recipes tucked away for those busy nights where you just want to throw a bunch of stuff into a casserole dish and call it dinner, and this cheesy French onion casserole is one of ours. It starts with a 30-ounce bag of frozen hash browns, and every time I try to interrogate it, this is what I end up with. Once we finish scooping all those frozen hash browns off of the countertop, we're throwing a can of cream of chicken soup and a cup and a half of the glazed French onion dip that was ever made. Next is going to get a cup of shredded cheddar, 1 pound of cooked chicken, and a Caesar salad just below. Once you've maxed out the capacity in that bowl, you're just going to do your best to stir it all together and then transfer it to a grease-made dish and spread it out as much as you can. As a finishing touch, we have these crispy fried onions, making a rare non-Thanksgiving appearance, and they're just going to get poured right over the top. Then this is going to bake in 300 degrees for about 35 minutes, and it's ready to go. And if you were wondering how many days till Thanksgiving yet, my last comment to answer that question is 170. For an update on cookbooks, those are currently printing and shipping, and people are starting to get their books. So if you ordered one, make sure to check your email and your spam folder so you can know when your book's coming.